Okay, my newest toy from Ninja, and just got it in today, the Ninja Woodfire outdoor oven. And that word right there, outdoor, means a bunch to me. And that's because I've been cooking outside with air fryers and stuff for years during the summer, especially because it doesn't heat up your house. Well, now they're making devices that are suited for being outside. There's what it looks like. Some of its claim to fame, 700-degree high heat roaster. That's pretty much why I bought it. Now, it says pizza, and I'm sure it's, well, I'm going to try, but I'm sure it's going to do pizzas very well. But I'm also looking to roasting at 700 degrees, say prime ribs or steaks. I mean, I got a lot of high hope for it. You can see what they got right here, and you can screenshot that and look at it. The reason I do it this way is in case you're not at a store and you can see the artwork, as I call it, on the box and get an idea of, you know, what they say about it. And they put all my shipping stickers right here, so you really can't see much of this, but there's a little bit over here you can see. It does do pellets, just like, and I'll say this right quick, like it's kind of sister or brother, this Ninja Woodfire grill, which I've had a while, and I'm using it like crazy outdoors now, and it does an excellent job. But back to this one, you can see right here that the chicken looks excellent, and I'm hoping it'll turn out something like that. There's some, I think that looks like barbecue pork and pizzas, bake. You know, that's the point. It'll do all this, and it air fries and it bakes. You know, like I've been doing pizzas over here on this Uni grill I have, but that's all it does pretty much. You know, it'll do pizzas. This air fries and bakes and all the stuff that, you know, we've came to appreciate, and it does it outdoor. There's looks like a prime rib maybe right there. That might be a ham, not sure, but there's it. And looking forward to doing that type stuff. The wood fire, like I mentioned, and then just roasting things, you know, corn. I mean, all kinds of stuff that, you know, make a screenshot if you want to see it. And you get the idea of what you can do at 700 degrees. Here's some things you can get. This stuff right here. Now, one thing I do wish they had sent with it is that right there. And I don't think it's in here. I haven't opened it again, but I don't think it is. The cover. I think that would be good for an outdoor device. I may order it because, you know, people cutting grass and stuff, you know, with it outdoors, you get a lot of dust and stuff on them. I know because I've been doing it for a long time. So anyhow, I got to, I'm going to get it out of here and let you see it. So hold on. Okay, so there it is, and I'm not sure you can tell, but it's kind of a brick color, but anyhow, there's the pizza stone, the quick start guide, and, you know, you can imagine this right here, the Pro Heat Pan. It's got some weight, there's no doubt. It's good and heavy, and comes with this type plug, the same type that has this, like some kind of GFCI. I'm not even positive, hadn't read what's on it. There's what the dials look like. It has plenty of settings: smoker, bake, broil, specialty roast, max roast, and pizza, and also a warm function. So it you know, it looks good. That's all I can say. Here, over here is where the pellets go, right here, and just like that. Right here is the rack system, which means a lot because I was hoping it would do this, and it does. This is how the rack system looks. Of course, this rack right here will also fit in that pan, and then this goes here, and then you have the lower setting, which I had it in, but then you also have the upper setting, which I think, again, don't know, but I think that will work good for searing steaks. You know, kind of like a salamander, if you will. And that's it right there. I don't really know of anything else it needs to say. Or I can show you I brought a tape measure so I can show you the height of the inside. And it is about 7 1/4. Let's just say 7 inches height in here. And it is, you need to know that too, you got total width of about 13.5. I'm not sure if anything interferes with that. And well, I might as well do the depth, hadn't I? The depth is about 14.5, 15. I will show you, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod. I'm going to show you in there the elements. Okay, so here is what the inside of the oven looks like. And it does look like, a fairly clean interior. It'd be like everything else trying to keep it clean. But anyhow, there's the bottom elements, as you can see. And then there are the top. And it's got plenty. It looks to me. I'm anxious to see how it does. And I think it will, with all those elements, it should do fine. So there you go. Maybe I can show you this exterior color a little bit better. That's what this, I don't know if they'll offer different colors, but. Okay, so it's got to 700 degrees, and by the way, it let me add time. I don't know how far you could go, but it doesn't matter. I'm fixing to do a read on that stone, and right there, 728. That's pretty good. And by the way, I intentionally have it on a 15 amp circuit. So it's on a 15 amp breaker and it has not kicked it yet, if that means anything to you. Okay, so there is the back of the unit. In case you're wondering, it's kind of stuck out there a little bit, but that shouldn't hurt anything. The most important thing on the back is that right there, if you ask me. And you scan that QR code with your phone, and you can register warranties and stuff like that. But anyhow, there's what the writing on the back says, the data tag. And that's going to do it for this one. See y'all. Okay, so I thought I would add this, kind of reluctantly, because a lot of people are going to ask it. But, I don't touch any of my grills, but here's the deal. It is 175 degrees on the outside, and it's warm. I mean, you don't want to put your hand on it. I mean, I can, like that. It's 175. But now the other thing is, so you'll know, it is magnetic, and I can show you, but it hooks up to it. Take my word. Well, there you go. It's magnetic, so you can add things to it, like something to hang on there, whether you would or not, because it's 175 degrees. But anyhow, there you go.